So for me, so I will call it this journey with SanDisk. It's not just only a journey in term of work. It's also for me. 8 years ago, we decided with my wife to move also in UK. So and it has been it has been very challenging for the family. Very exciting, and since I don't want to come back in France, so you probably know that I'm really enjoying the life in London. But it has been 8 years ago. So leaving Logitech, starting following some friend in their new startup, in their new company. So starting a company from scratch, and after 1 year, when the company almost collapsed, we have decided to start again this business, and then it comes the idea to do sales representative, and then being in contact with Steve Daverio, and starting this business with SanDisk. And as I said yesterday, SanDisk, I worked with SanDisk a long time ago, so it remind me a lot of things. So meeting again Fred again after a few years, and starting for me a new adventure, also a new personal adventure. Set up my company, being representative also. It was quite challenging. It's not my decision at this point. It was more opportunity, I would say. And the mixture of everything, all this travel, all this mission I have done for SanDisk, interesting things, some more boring, I would say.
Which one?
A lot. But I think I've got the chance in SanDisk, and you give me the chance in SanDisk, I would say the team, so Fred, Serge, to have a lot of challenges. So the last one, it was Amazon, of course, but also SSD. I like really SSD, building from scratch this business, and going to the customer saying, yeah, we've got a new product, it's SSD. We've got this G3 new product. It's a shit, okay, yeah. So after 4 months, starting this again, it's a real product now. It was a fake one. It's a real product. And fighting again, because the SSD business has never been easy in SanDisk, and it's always a story about you want to go in this business, no, we don't want to go. We want to go, we don't want to go. Allocation, no more product. So always good story to tell, always funny things to do. But at the end, succeeding last year to reach this. It doesn't matter for me, GfK data and so on. Succeeding of the trust of the customer, knowing that we are finally a brand who counts for the customer. It makes more important for me. And as I said always, when I because of course it's not my first company, I've been in a lot of companies since I worked. The only thing I remember it's people, and I know that for everybody it's the same thing. So when you are working, of course you are always thinking about I code is boring, blah 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 is boring. But at the end, what should remain, it's all the relationship we have.
Wow, you have made every sentence cry. It's even better. It's even better.
No, I will not call you after. Don't worry. It's still me here. No, but it is true, and I've got for my. I've got still a lot of contact with people from Carrefour. For example, Xavier, some people here in this room know this guy. I was working very close with this guy here, like Ruben was here. I was here doing his own job when I was working for Carrefour, and he's having the money for that. So, but I really enjoyed the time here. I really enjoyed having contact. What I learned in SanDisk here, it's also to work with people coming from Spain, for example, not Spain, Catalonia, Spain, Italy, and having different kind of culture, different kind of personality.
Food.
Huh? But I don't speak about food because the great chance we have, and believe me, I live in London, so believe me, South Europe, So except Ariane, we are in a shitty country for food. Believe me, UK is the best country for food compared to the Netherlands. But out of Ariane, did I hurt you? No, you know the truth. You know
I
the
knew,
truth about
I knew.
it. We can't lie about
He's
it.
half Greek,
Huh?
so it's okay. He's always
I
on.
found my way.
No, your wife is Greek.
I found my
So
way.
you know. So I don't talk about food because we have a real chance here. But the personality of people, or background is so much different. I like to, and then I find I hope I find a way to adapt that every people. It's maybe not the easiest way for me, the easiest way to do things.
Naturally, yeah.
Huh?
It's a nature.
Yeah, I learned. It's a journey. It's from me starting at was maybe 32, 33. Oh, well, maybe older, but I'm now 42. I know since
Now we know his age.
yeah. After all these years, I know that I changed a lot.
Yeah,
That's true.
it's true, yeah.
Probably some
For the best
people
or for the
didn't
worst?
notice that, but
We noticed here.
I was already a very good person, but I'm really better now. And as I said yesterday, thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for all the contact we have. So I really enjoy my time. And to be honest, not at the end, but you know why. And I really wanted to do something different. And it's a real choice I made. And I think was the most interesting thing that what I learned in SanDisk. SanDisk is the only company we are able to talk about everything. It is true. When I like the discussion we have about work-life balance. I learned a lot of things around that. VBS things, I know that at the beginning I was not very convinced, and it's not the bullshit I will say VBS is good. It's not the reason VBS is good or not. I'm not talking about that, but I think with VBS, if you take everything we heard during VBS, I think personally, it brings you something to think about how you can change as a human being, as people. And I think it's our life. I think it's the most important thing, like how to improve. So sorry. I know it's boring now. It's not to be boring, so a bit stuff. Yes, I know. No, thank you. But yeah, once again,
Speechless.
thank you very much. If you want to keep in touch, I will keep the same mobile. If you don't want to call me, it's okay. Don't worry. And don't believe me, in 3 years' time I will call you again to come in my country to buy some stuff because I will need you. Thank you.
Sorry? Who started the VBS program?
Pascal.
Pascal?